Hello, hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is LTG. Welcome everyone to Hello Lyle. Welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone. Welcome every single one of you on my stream right now. My name is LTG. And how are you everyone? Hello Benica. Welcome to the stream. Oh my god. Hello every single one of you whippersnappers. My name is Lautai Gaming and I have some pretty good announcement for all of you, chat. Before I go play Prototype, I have a Tangia. I have a Tangia commands now. So basically, if you want to say with me some scup stream like this, scups stop like this, you know, I got jump scared by the. Ayan. So basically, if you want to have that on my Tangia, so wait, ayan, like this. Laro Tayo Gaming asked me, "Are you real? I'm as real as the lag in your game. Here to chat, make jokes, and keep you company during the stream. What's good?" Yeah, so basically you can nakita nyo sa baba ko, basically we have a TTS now. So if you want to add that, ayan lang yung link sa baba. Yan sa pinakababa ko. So lagyan natin sa pinaka center. So yun lang. Yun lang ang aking yun lang ang aking tawag dito announcement na we have a overlay now that you can actually spam on my stream. So, ang maganda doon, makikita ko yan kahit in-game. Ang maganda doon, makikita ko yan kahit in-game. So, it will actually be funny. Yo, nag-live din ba si Dutch? Yeah, it is Gab. Punta ka sa stream ni Dutch, yun lang. Yun lang. So, I have a lot of things that I want to do. But eto yung Ask AI. Prototype 1 yung Yeah. Mamaya, I will play that. Ito, parang ganito. I really love this, Are you real? I really love this,
I'm as real as the final boss in your game. Here to chat, make jokes, and have a blast with you. What do you want to talk about?
Yeah, I really love this, I really love this kind of, overlay. So you can actually, donate with me for a specific amount of coins. Yan, taasan natin yung yung TTS kasi mahal ang quote unquote supplemental. So awit wala tayo. Bukas ba? Wala pa. Next time pa tayo maglalaro ng ng tawag dito? Next time na tayo maglalaro ng what you call this? Kalimutan ko na. Kakalimutan ko na palagi. Hello, Rimuru. How are you doing? Yan. So, hindi ko pala nalagay yung yung torment. Yan. Yan natin yung torment dito sa harap. Ako malalagay dito lang sa pinakababa. Highlight na ako? No. Kakasimula ko pa lang. Yan. So, hello, GCs. Sabi ko nga ulit, chat, if you want to chat me about, AI me, you can now interact it on, nakita nyo naman yung link sa baba. So, Yan lang ang aking announcement for this, or this occasion. So, I think yun lang talaga. So, yeah. Balik na lang tayo sa Prototype. Here we go, chat. So, I will be playing Prototype after this. So, here we go. Ayan, no? Hindi pa maano kasi naka-game capture pa. Ewan ko ba't hindi... Ayan, lumabas na. And here we go, chat. Here we go, chat. We have prototype. Tayo natuloy. Tayo na udlot sa Behind the Glass, which is the second mission for... the third mission rather for prototype. So... Siyempre, alam na this, kailangan muna natin pumunta sa side quest missions before I go to other 1,000. Yeah. You can get like 1,000 or negative 1,000 on this occasion. Bahala kayo diyan. Wala akong ano diyan. Wala akong balak dyan na hindi baguhin. Okay? So, we are here at the first mission of the main mission, chat. Ayan. Alam ko mag-pre-roam ka. Hindi naman to pre-roam eh. Okay, here we go, chat. Ba't kailangan nating
Sorry,
Okay, your apartment?
there's nothing left there.
Well, it doesn't matter. I've been looking at your laptop.
Laptop.
Yeah.
laptop?
Came in a package the day after you went AWOL. Look.
So someone has...
I've seen that girl before.
Well, it makes sense. There are only two names in the file. One is yours. The second is this woman, Elizabeth Green.
Elizabeth
Still in isolation
Green.
in the tech building. Do you know who she is?
Hey, whoever she is, she knows more than I do.
Mm-hmm.
She's just a girl. What kind of fucking monsters are these people?
Ay, naaalala. Ay, hindi niya maalala. Okay, hindi niya maalala, chat. Okay, we are on the Blackwatch headquarters. And we probably proceeds to...
Brimstone will encircle the entire sector and detain anyone moving through the area. I want this contained by daybreak.
Uh-huh.
There are nearly 100,000 people in the blue zone.
I'm not interested in excuses. Get it done. A situation I think your team is well suited for, Captain. How long until your men are
Wait, who is this?
prepped and waiting for
Oh, this is Captain Cross.
We just become best friends. Yep.
Alright, thank you so much for the follow. Wait a minute, chat. I will see your comments. I will see your chat. Kasi kapag nag-hover ako, maano yung
The
cutscenes.
team has a single target. Alex Mercer, codenamed Zeus. He's carrying a new strain. He's eliminated 50 of my men and smashed through a 2-foot steel door.
Uh-huh.
You interested?
I'm your man, sir.
I don't need to tell you what's at stake.
Ah. So we need to rescue Elizabeth Green. Okay, so who followed? Who followed? Hindi ko nakita eh. So wait a minute, chat. Ang dami yung nakalagay. Oh my god. Hello. Yeah. So wait a minute, chat. Before I go, mahina ba yung...
We just become best friends.
Yan,
Yep.
Ra, well, thank you so much for the follow. Hello, Ame, welcome to, thank you so much for the follow. Okay, so, medyo mahina yung prototype, music. I don't know why, but sobrang hina niya. Ay, naka. Bahala na. So, we need to go to that scene. Ang tanong, meron bang malapit na may malapit ba na pwedeng anuhan? Like wala bang Blackwatch? Walang Blackwatch in the area, chat. Sadly, there's no Blackwatches in the area. That kailangan kasi natin Blackwatch soldier, not kalalay. May police lang tayo, chat. May police lang. Hindi siya Black Watch soldier kaya medyo hindi ako makapag sabi kung ano ang gagawin. So we need to rescue Elizabeth Green. Ayan. Yan, nice na. Nice one, nice one. Aray! We are just seeing you guys. Wala naman akong ginagawa. Yeah, I'm one of us. I'm one of us, guys. Yeah, we are one of us, so I'm just highly guarding the area, you know. Ayan. We are just low-key walking para di tayo ma-detect. We are literally like Metal Gear. Metal Gear. Wait, nasa taas ba? Oh, hell na. Ayan, here we go. So, anong gagawin natin? So, we need to go to Gentech building. Okay, so we need to go to... Yeah, I'll Spider-Man. Hindi naman siya. The way they just fall up when you bump into them. Yeah, it is actually funny.
Important who I can use to get into that facility.
Okay, so we need to do Elizabeth Green stop undetected. So...
Red Crown from Chalk 3. We've lost the eye. You got an update for us? Chalk 3, Red Crown. Hostile has gone dark. Over.
No trespassing. What is trespassing?
Lost contact. Orders.
What is trespassing?
They're taking over.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm just low-key blending it with you guys. I am not doing anything harm with you. The problem is we have some you know, problema ko like there's a thingy. Hindi ako makakapasok eh. So we need to run, right? We need to run. Tama ba ako? We need to run on that area. Am I right? We need to run or wala talaga? Wala ka talagang choice? Nakakatakot. Medyo nakakatakot nga talaga kung ikaw yung antagonist.
Gonna have to be careful around these things.
Ayan. Just run.
Alright, he's my ticket inside.
Yeah, let's go.
What the hell happened in there?
Team 1 dropped comm just after they entered the holding cell area.
That's it. Close it off. No one goes in or comes out of the Gentech building. I want
Uh-huh.
it sealed with level 4 protocols.
Aray ko, ang lalakas ninyo. Oh my god. Nor. Pasok na, pasok. End the alert. End the alert first. Oh my god. I need to go out. Mamatay na ako. Mother. Takting ano to. My God. So we need to end the alert first. Yan, I need to... Ayun lang, may strike team na dumating.
Authorizing team Delta Indigo Charlie.
Oh my God, I'm dumb. I'm dumb as hell. We need to end the alert first. What problem is... Aray ko, masakit lo. Wala na, mamamatay na. I need to consume something. Papi chulo. Malapit na mamatay. Papi chulo. Isang bala na lang, patay na ako. No. Nice one. Thank you for that. I need that. I need that healing power.
Update your assessment.
Okay, medyo I need to focus on something first. Yan, thank you for that. Ayan, pengin ng mga item ninyo, chat. Ayan. Where the hell is the freaking army? Ayan. Kalimutan ko na kung paano maglaro ng prototype, chat. Yan, tayo bumalik. Operational report. Military expenditure 80 million.
Alpha has lost the target. Over. I got him. Wait. Nope. Negative. I don't got him.
Medyo nakaka-stress talaga ng oh my God, Squid Ball. Sige, go lang Rubita. I'm just playing this game, chat. So, I will do IRL streams probably later. Nakakamiss mag IRL stream din. Yan, we are entering Gentech now. Nice one. Here we go, chat. Oh, we have Elizabeth Green just inside the cell.
Elizabeth Green.
Hello. What the hell? Ginawa mo?
I don't understand.
Okay, So, okay, pinaalala ni Elizabeth Green lahat, basically. Okay, that was... Wait, what? It was your... Yeah, it was your mother? Oh dear God, we are having like a lot. Uh-huh.
I need help with this. I need to know what you know.
Okay, anong meron? Okay.
Yes, Private, you're guarding a hole in the fucking roof. You've been briefed about what we're up against. We're not secure until these skylights are sealed, so unless you want to pull shit patrol until your mama forgets what you look like, stand your sorry ass right here until you're told to do otherwise. Now move it, sir!
I can contain them inside a military base.
Wait lang, wait lang. Yan, I'll go shield.
We're being overrun by some sort of fucking huge animal. We're trying to withdraw!
Aray, ang sakit! Ang sasakit ng mga oh my God! What the... Oh my God, ang sasakit! What the hell is that? Lead the hunters inside the military base. Oh, okay.
I can contain them inside a military base.
And...
Red Cloud, we're being overrun by some sort of fucking huge animal. We're trying to withdraw!
we need to go in the military base.
Why? We've got some sort of wild fucking animals loose on the streets here. We need air support.
Yan. Bili. Doon kayo.
Fucking things are after him. John 3 has lost visual. You want us to sweep? We're negative on the target. Take it home.
Yan. Here we go. Now what? Kailangan mo pala pumunta kaya sobrang sakit pala ng ano. Wee! Boom! Wee! Boom!
I don't know what you are, but I know I'm gonna kill you.
Ayan. I need to consume you. To consume. Yeah, consume it. Nice one. Thank you for that. Okay, ano na meron? Okay, claw power unlocked. Consuming the attack into claw power. Each power you need attacks, combos, and moves. Check the upgrades menu of pause screen for new updates. Press 1 to activate or deactivate your attack power. Okay, claw it. Claw it. Claw that stuff. You know, claw it.
More of them, and I'm just getting started.
Dumadami kayo, oh my God. O yan. Gusto nyo umano ha? Wait lang. I want to do this like, you know, efficiently, but a lot of... Okay, consume. Sadly, I can consume it. So, oh my God. Dami nila! Dami nila. Magandang hapon, happy streaming. Thank you so much, Watcha. Welcome to the stream. How you doing, everyone? Kailangan natin ng... Oh my God, napakadami ninyo! Aray! Napakadami ninyo. Wait lang. Napakadami ninyo. Jeez. Yan, pengin ng ano ninyo. 5 big booms. 5 big booms. Boom. 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 Consume. Nice one. Thank you for that. Consume. Ang dadami ninyo. Dami pa kayo ah. Ayan na. Okay, we need to rupture all of the fuel tanks now.
That all finish them.
Ito, punta tayo sa taas. Napakadami niya. Wala ba yung ano, pwede i-consume? Kasi malapit na akong mategi. Ito. May malapit na mategi. Kailangan ko yan. Thank you. Malapit na mategi eh. Wait lang. Kailangan i-consume. Yan. Pengin yan. Wait lang, dadami ninyo. Yan. Okay, where the hell is the consuming? Yan, pengin yan. May 4 pa tayo na fuel tanks, so we need to destroy all the fuel tanks, chat. Konti lang yan. Kailangan natin ng marami. Hindi natin...
Did we just become best
Okay, thank you
friends?
so much for the follow. Wait lang ha. We are doing serious mode right now. So, of course, dahil alam nyo na, medyo seryoso tong larong to. 2 fuel tanks remaining. Okay. Wala bang pwede i-consume? Consume? Ay. May nakita ako. Akin na yan. Yan, thank you for the health pack. Thank you for the health boost. Yan, last one. For Geronimo, and then we are good. Oh, they're all down. They're all going down. Let's go. Oh, sabog. Sabog ang building. Takbo. Okay, medyo Thank you so much, Dump. Thank you so much for the follow. Kunat naman ng water. Kaya nga, pakakunat. Grabe. Napakakunat. Hello, Potato. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing, everyone? Welcome to Prototype. Napakakunat. Seryoso, napakakunat. Okay, tayo ay lumabas. Sa classroom may batas. Bawal lumabas. Then, we can save it. Ilang minuto na ba tayo nagla-live? Wait na. Ilang minuto na ba tayo nagla-live? 30 minutes. Wala pa. Event markers are displayed in the mini pause and schema. All completed event are bronze, silver, and gold. Achieving gold in all events about platinum level events. These are most challenging events. Complete these for large EP rewards. New events are unlocked as you progress through the game. Events are great to make EP and purchasing new powers, moves, and abilities. Okay, speaking of upgrades, there is a lot of upgrades that we need to buy, chat. There's a lot. I mean a lot. We need a health boost. Kasi and shockwave. Wala na tayo, chat. Next time I will play it glide. Hold, press and release space to glide. Okay. So for example, I'll need to go in here. I will go di pag tumalon. Ayun, we can glide, chat. We are like Aang now. Chat. You know? From the last Airbender.
Anyone seeing that? Make sure it's nothing or it's dead.
Yeah. Ayoko magpatawag ng strike team kaya medyo naglo-low-key lang ako dito, chat. Muntikan na akong matsugi dun sa kanina eh. Kasi hindi ko ma-clear kasi sobrang dami ng tao. Sobrang daming tao sa building na yon, sadly. So, no choice. I'm just running, you know.
Close look over there.
Yeah, we are just running, chat. Walang movement to the left, to the right, to the up. Okay, I will go in here just to be sure. Chat. Okay, here we go. So, nandito pa rin tayo. We need to go on to that, probably this building. Because we need to go on that building dahil we have a mission again. At tayo pupunta sa safe house. Enter. Ano daw? Stealth consume upgrade. Okay, stealth consume upgrade. We need to have a stealth consume upgrade. Magkano yun? Kamura. 3,000. Okay. Stealth consume allows you consume as assessing prey applies. Sneak behind your prey. Press F. When the stealth consume indicator is highlighted, press E to stealth consume. Okay. Hello, Kokak. Welcome to the stream. Isang pindot na spacebar yan. Kaya yun nga eh. Yeah, remember the childhood, chat. Hello, Kokak. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Have you tried The Walking Dead? Next time. Wala pa akong money. Yeah, I don't have a money yet, chat. So, hello, Shoto. Welcome to the stream. Shoto Todoroki, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay. Start mission. We are doing stealth consume because we need to have a stealth consume.
Parker ring any bells? Well, it should. She was close to you. An ex-girlfriend. I have her address from the
Uh-huh.
Get to her before the military makes her disappear. Look, if I can find this lead, you can bet they will too.
Ooh.
Alex, be careful.
Okay. Okay, go to her apartment, chat. Go to her apartment.
Systems on green. Go, go, go!
What the hell is happening in here? Yeah, I'm just ano ba meron ka? Kailangan mong mag-ano ng base. So, I think we need to do the base next time. To do the base mission next time. To basically infiltrate the bases next time kapag meron ng pera. Meron na akong magandang equipment. And remove these bases para ano, medyo kumalat, quote unquote kumalat yung hive mind. We have a lot of hive, like you know, kumakalat na yung hive mind dito. So we need to go onto that hive, chat, and to probably consume something. I don't know kung ano. Ano yan? Meron na, meron na ako stop contributes, like 3,000 EP. Alex Gabe, name ko, change ko na lang ko. Okay. How many Twitch viewer? Oh, I don't actually know. Well, it is the same, so yeah. Kung gusto niyo mag-lurk doon, medyo hindi ko kasi kayo maka, ano. Hello Kamari, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Kailangan ko na talaga na second monitor, chat. Welcome to Prototype. And there's a lot of quote-unquote zombies now. You know, chat. Ayan, tayo'y pumunta sa...
Distracted. They haven't secured Parker yet.
Ayan, tayo pumunta dito. Ayan, tayo pumunta dito sa building na to. We need to...
I thought you were dead.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you should be because you are having a virus on your end, you know?
You need to get us a vehicle. A military one if possible.
Mm-hmm.
It's the only way we'll be able to get out of the district.
Okay.
That red stuff is spreading fast. Person to person, building to building, street to street.
Oh dear.
It has to be connected to Elizabeth Green.
Acquire an APC. Yan, acquiring an APC now, chat.
Parker, Karen I. DOB 1176. Doctorate Genetics, Rutgers University, 7/2/2003. Hired Gentech, Special Projects 2/1/2002. Director Genotyping, Level D Access, reported to Director McMullen, Raymond F. Romantically involved with Mercer, Alex J. Wanted for questioning. Subject
Alex
is to be
Mercer?
detained and transferred to Base 6 Charlie Alpha 1.
Okay, objective completed now, chat. So the problem is we need to get an APC. Ayan. Ba muna tayo. Punta tayo sa ano, maglakad tayo pataas. And we need to go onto that specific building because we need to acquire an APC dahil marami ang kailangan na umano doon. Kailangan na maano yung mga targets in some yeah, use a valid military disguise to sneak in. Yeah, we are just running. Wala kayong makikita. Okay, we are sneaking in onto military bases now, chat.
Saddle up, sweep, and clear. Brand, get your ass in.
Okay. Here we go. We need to, you know, sneak attack this fella. May I ask some questions if you don't mind? Go lang, go lang. Makapadali lumob sa base niya pag ganun check mo sa upgrades. I actually do upgrades na. Hello everyone. Medyo hindi ako makapagsalita dahil of course I'm still playing. Sadly, I cannot have a second monitor. Bilhin nyo ang Azopa. You stop consume to discreetly consume our enemies nearby. And the alert. Yeah, pupunta ba na tayo? And the alert before entering to the base. Wait, what? Really? Nakakita pa rin sa akin? Seryoso ka dyan? Okay. Okay, we are done. We are done. Sadly, di ako makapag-stealth consume. Okay, we are good, chat. We are good at quote-unquote stop consuming. Wala, hindi nangyari. Hello. Ayan. Ito pong ating number 1 fan, no clickbait. Hello, welcome to the stream. Sa buildings kaya. Why do you name Laro Tayo Gaming? Hello Rikuya. Hello Jason. Hello Darken. Hello. How long you gonna stream? Probably like 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yun naman po ang aking typical magpapakita doon. Hello Rikuya. Hello ang ating number 1 fan. Yeah, no clickbait chat. Hello, how are you doing? We are now quote-unquote infiltrating the base. I didn't do, you know, typical sneaky things because I suck at stop commanding. Okay, here we go. Dutch is talking to the... Okay lang yan, Darken. I'm just in here, you know. Base infiltration, you need to consume an APC driver to gain an access and hijack to drive the APC. I forgot how to stealth consume. Military bases house key personnel that can be consumed for upgrades. Visit bases to improve or vastly improve ad skills. So we need to consume a driver without even knowing. The problem is how to stealth consume. I forgot how to stealth consume already. Apakasakit ng matadang liwan. Yeah, so basically I don't know how to do stealth consuming. Like probably I need to follow it in order to stealth consume, I guess. I forgot how to stealth consume. Balita ko si Pacquiao magre-retire na sa boxing, tawag dun a box. God dang it, chat. Press F? Okay. So you need to press F to stealth consume. Okay. Sadly, ayan. Maghahanap tayo ng ano. Yung ako lang ang nakikita.
Something's funny. Something's out of place. Gonna take a look.
Ako lang to, chat.
Check that out.
Yeah, I'm just in here. You know, not doing anything funny. So you can still consume pero ewan ko saan siya pumupunta. Hindi ako makapag stealth consume dahil dito sa pagkumag na to.
Awaiting assignment, sir.
Ayun, finally. Finally, we are good. Ah, nako. Hijacking armor. Okay, finally we are now good at doing armors now, chat. Now we are exiting the base. Yeah. Di ko alam kung ano pagkakarinig ko. Chat. Sabi ko ulit, chat. Okay, chat. May T. Prototype is the OG imposter from Among Us. Indeed. Yun pala yun. So you need to press F and then press E. Okay, I know now.
I know exactly how to drive this thing.
Yeah, we are actually. Wala bang pipip dito? Pipip! Hoy, tabi! Tabi, gusto nyo... Okay, here we go, chat. So sorry about that. Yeah, we need to counterflow. Doon tayo sa kabila. Bili! Uy, bili! Ay, lumabi kayo! Yan, we are good. We are good, chat. Here we go. We need to go to the specific okay, so press X to reset the camera. Okay. We need to go to this specific place because yun yung sinasabi nila. Tumabi kayo.
Okay, targeting system. Main gun.
Use the APC to kill the infected. Paano kita Okay. Pakadami ninyo. So secondary is a rocket launcher. Rocket launcher. Paano kayo matatamaan? Ayan, nice. Thank you for the ano. Okay, return to Karen Parker's apartment. Okay. Okay, I will return. Tumabi kayo! Nakita nyong napakadami ninyo dito. Oh my God. Oh no, we need to go to the hive. We need to go to the hive. Go, 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 go. Goal, 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 goal. Goal, 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 goal. Nasa pa sa loob? Sa loob mismo? Ano ba naman yan? Wait a minute. Nasaan ba yung ano? Sa loob pala mismo, hindi ko alam. Tama ba? It's on inside? Nasaan yung ano? What the hell? Ito ba? Dito ba? Ganyan na ganyan. Ah, okay. Ganyan pala. Okay, we're done. We are done. Okay, we are destroyed. The building is destroyed. What now? Okay, we need to pick up Karen. Chat.
This is where we should go. I'll mark it for you. Please,
Okay.
let's just get there safely.
Okay, here we go. Nice one. Nalilito talaga ako. Oh my God. Hello, hello, Jojo. Welcome to the stream. Oh my God. Shion, welcome to the stream. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Di pa pala ako nakafollow. Wait. Sensya na, chat. I am basically focusing right now. So, medyo, wala kasi akong phone. So, papasensyahan nyo na ako, chat, ha? Papasensyahan na ako, chat. So, hello Shion Hipon on the stream right now. Oh my God. Okay, we are still going on to this place, chat. Nalilito pa rin ako. And ano ba? Chat, hindi ako nakakapag-interact sa inyo. Parang ako naglalaro na ng Valorant. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako, chat. Ayan. Go back to safety, chat. Indeed. Imagine if I can get that tank. Imagine if I can get that tank. You know. If I can get the tank for... You know what? You know what? Dito tayo. Balik tayo dito. Hindi dating kaya. Bro, I am literally like an NPC tank. I'm literally like an NPC tank right now. Aray. Okay, wait a minute, chat. Bago kayo masabihan or something. Pagpasensyaan nyo na ako, chat, dahil ako ay naglalaro at I'm still focusing at the game. I'm so sorry about that, chat, you know? Ano, makakakit ba ako? That is the question. Makakakit ba ako dito sa ledge, chat? Kailangan natin ng ano, ng talagang doon tayo sa daan kasi hindi talaga tayo makakadaan. Oh dear. Ba't kasi nakaharang kasi wala tayong magagawa. We don't have a choice. I'm really sorry. Dahil tayo nagmamadali. We are in a hurry right now, so you know. We are basically in this platform. Yan, malapit tayo. Sa loob ba ng ano? Sa loob ba mismo? Alam ko sa apartment, 'di ba? After nito, I will probably end my live and play IRL stream mamaya or just chatting stream, quote unquote, just chatting or IRL stream. It's basically the same. I will do that later. Okay. We are now down for this. Tatapos din. Okay, hello Gelatin. Hello Jusreal. Pagka-infiltrate mo sa base, after ubusin sila for bonus. Yun nga eh. I left Mama Dutch stream because I've got a Doom's country. I'm gonna found you. Do you want some sauce of what happened? Ano ba nangyari, Jojo? What happened? Meron dun open space kanina sa park. Yeah, dun nga mali ako. May prototype 2 na ba? Yes. So that's why I will play prototype 1 first. And then after that, I will play prototype 2. Okay? Okay, I think we're done. Ba't may narinig ako na basag na...
Did I ever tell you Karen and I were together once? Pictures of us at my apartment.
Narinig ako na basag.
Karen worked at Gentech. Maybe she could explain what was going on with me and how to control it.
Yeah.
I know now. Freeing Elizabeth Green was a mistake.
Yeah, totoo.
She was a monster. Infecting everything she touched. Get to Green. Find out who did this to me.
Why Elizabeth Green like they want to infect everyone?
In a way. I knew we were connected. Victims of a common enemy, subjects
they ate up infection. Oh my god.
But I had Karen. And we were gonna put a stop to this thing together.
Yeah. I think we're done. Mission complete. Yeah, mission complete. Oh, I think I will save this and dito muna tayo mag hihinto sa ating sa ating stream right now. But anyways, thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you so much everyone for visiting the stream. Hello Top Hat, welcome to the stream. I think we need to go na. Si yun hindi ko na-expect na pumunta kanina. See you mamaya. Yeah, I will do IRL stream later. So, thank you so much guys. Here on TikTok, probably mga 9. Ganun naman palagi yung ko. Yung stream ko palagi. Yeah. So, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you later. See you later, chat. Have a good vibes. Woot woot.